defending anti-apartheid activists during the struggle have finally been honored. The event was hosted by the Department of International Relations and Cooperation, who thanked the lawyers for their selfless acts.
It's been a long time coming, but finally the men and women who played a role in fighting for the freedom of South Africa's freedom fighters have been recognized.
These are the people who could have chose not to do anything. Some of them lost their businesses because representing the so-called terrorist would have put them on the other side against the government, the then government, but they did that anyway. We didn't even know where they get the money. Our families were not paying them. We didn't even know when we were arrested at times that we have lawyers.
Prominent lawyers, including Western Cape Judge President John Hlophe and Justice Siraj Desai, attended the event. Also attending and honoured was prominent Cape Town Judge Essa Musa, who was described as selfless. Musa says they were not only lawyers, but activists themselves. He remembers driving across the province to deal with political cases in rural areas, which some of his white colleagues refused to touch.
I remember distinctly that Matthew Gonive and a young student from his school were detained in terms of Section 50 of the security legislation. They were held up out in Polsmoor, and I acted for both of them, and I went to go and consult them at Polsmoor, and they were detained for approximately 1 month, and after Matthew Gonive was released, a few weeks later, he met the tragic death.
Musa says while he thought this event should have happened long ago, he is grateful to eventually be honoured. Mfuketo says she hopes the department will be able to expand this concept. Abra Barbia, SABC News, Cape Town.
The #2ACT campaign is